LUMEN, which is a financial assistant, which actually analyze your spending patterns and give you actionable insights on that. Basically, read your documents from the mail or from the chat or from the manual entry also, and based on that, it makes your entire dashboard. So let's start with this. This is the homepage of the site, which it is secured by the zero knowledge cryptographic proof, and analytics will be provided by the different kind of Python libraries. And also for the anomaly detection, we are using isolation forest. So let's start. So let's just sign in. So this is our dashboard where this is a Gmail monitor system which actually monitors the mail of the user, from where it takes the digital records, transaction records of the user. Just for example, if you see that uh, uh, transaction which was sent to the user on the SMS. So we have used an Android app to send this SMS onto the mail of the user. So we are getting this SMS onto the mail, and then we are passing it, and then we are giving it onto the transaction records. You can see that these are the transaction record, and the recent transaction record was based on the mail which was received from the Swiggy. So this is the key aspect of our project, that we are not totally dependent on the user to manually give the input. We are autonomous system which automatically takes the input. We have other features also, like the analytics, where the user can analyze its spending pattern. Like for this user, it's not very diverse, but we can later in the other example we'll show for a varied user. Also, this is the add transaction feature, where user can manually, give the transaction, by cash. Because, generally cash transaction has no records and people tend to forget that. So we can do that in the form of cash also. So this is the system. We can do that later. And now let's see for another user what are the kind of analytics we can perform, because this user has a very limited number of. Then this is one another consumer. So these are his record, past records. We can view all the transactions of that. But for now, we are focusing on the analytics part. So as you can see, we can see the spending patterns of the user based on these criteria. But last 30 days, how was the spending pattern? Or over the 3 months, how was his spending pattern? Below is the graph, which basically broadly classifies his spending pattern into these categories and how much percentage he spent there. But it is just for only one aspect of our system. Our system is also built for the small scale businessman. So we can have that aspect also. In the analytics part, we have that much only that we have classified there. And there is one filtering part that we can filter our records on the basis of the categories where we have done. So this is our project. Also in this, we have a RAG system also, where you can just ask the person ask about your spendings. It is very simple and short way to look at your records in simple layman terms. This was our whole project. Thank you.